Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a complex case. This is a guy that's, I see, like 62 or 63, well-educated, professional, legal business, who had really been, I don't know whether I'd use the word butchered, but he had his donor area butchered.
Yeah, the donor
by
area.
plugs and a couple of strips years ago, and he started shopping with you and me like in 2013, and it is now 2019. And so last summer he came in, and this is him before, and he's got, I mean, for all the hair they took out of the back of his head, he's got no hair on his head. But his donor area was over harvested, and for all the hair they took out of the back of his head, look at this view of him from behind. He's got nothing. He's got a little rim of hair around this big bald chrome dome, and well, that's not terrible. I mean, I don't think he was expecting that. And so then what do you do? What are your choices? And it's not much. And so together he and I agreed that he parts his hair to the right. So we put all the singles along his right hairline, as you can see in this picture, and then the rest of it we put in kind of a triangle there where there weren't any hair. And he did fine. And he did right around July 4th or something. And he rolled in last week, so it's like 6.5 months, something like that. And he looks pretty good, or 7 months.
He looks good. He was, every time that he would come for a consultation, and he had 2 strips trying to fix that area. And if you look at the hair that he has there, those are from the O plugs more than the other period, the other 2 strips that he had done somewhere else.
Yeah.
And when he came here, he really thought that there was zero hope for him.
That's why it took him 5 years to make a decision.
It did, and he was wondering, and he would call me and ask me, this is the time, this is the year that I'm going to do it. And it took a long time for us to, for him to like trust us, because then after all those things that he had done, and he's like, look what I got.
Yeah.
And he looks good, and he's even growing faster than
Yeah.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll see him again next Christmas when he's about 16 months out or something.
Right.
And then I think they look good. And, I never know whether any of these things are going to work. I just know statistically, if you go to one of the relatively few hair transplant offices in the country that really do consistent work, then it's most likely to work. And so that's the only assurance that I could give anybody, including this man. And so, but I'm pretty sure it's going to work if we can get it done in a reasonable period of time, and we can get decent grafts, and we got good technicians, put them in, and then if the customer will come and let us make sure they're cleaning correctly.
Yeah, he came every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then, so high likelihood of success. And lastly, when he turned around in this picture, you can see that he's got some scar tissue down below, and he had a buttload of scar tissue from his old work. There's an arrow right now on our current scar, which really looks good. It's hard to get that scar on a 60-year-old white guy. But he's got plenty of other scar tissue, and maybe down the road he'd want to do another one, cut some of those scars out then. We'll see.
Yeah, I think every time he comes, he's like,
takes him another 5 years, we're going to be getting close to it. All right, well, if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.